And we are live. Hi, guys. Welcome to today's mob. Today we're going to be. Oh, wait. I'm not muted. I'm not muted. Amniski? Hello. Yeah, good. Today we're going to be doing a Codewar mob. Let me show you the people who are here. There's Sigu, and there's Kevin and Lucy. Say hi. And there's Linda. Uko wapi? Uko wapi? Unaonekana? Awesome. Bye. Okay, so these people are very jokish. So at least today you've seen our faces. I'm going to share my screen and then we randomize and then we see who's going to be leading us through today. I hope it's a Ruby person. Like, okay. Sig 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sigu, give us your two numbers between 0 and 9. Santos? Santos is Kevin in case you don't know. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hawingi mob 4. Haya. 7 and no Santos. 7 and 2. Okay. Missy? Yeah. 6 is tricky. Okay. Getty? Which ones are remaining? There's 5 and there's 3. Awesome. Randomize. That's it, random. Run 10. You ready? If you say so. Yeah, so it has to be 10. The first one is 8. 8 ni nani? Hakuna. The second is 5, which is Kitty. Third, 2, which is Santos. Thank you. So Santos will be taking us through today. Give us just 1 minute to switch mics. Okay, bye.
You've had that one. Hey, karibu. Hey, karibu kwa hangout ya leo. Haya. Oh. Geti hata haujafungua yani kodwa nini?
No.
Yeah.
And then you funga for me all those tabs.
Man. Si uingiange kama umefungua. Okay.
You need to funga.
Ile ilikuwa ya YouTube. Okay. Wah. Haya. Okay, guys. Are you guys hearing me? Yes. Okay. So today, which kata can we do? Oh. Tufanye? Hey. Okay. Let's do a 6. Oh, you want a 4Q? Okay. Let me choose a 6. Let's see. Interesting. Oh. Oh yeah, okay. Unknown amount of missing numbers in an ordered array. Hardcore version. Where? Oh, we start with this one. Uh-huh. Hmm? Let's brace ourselves. Tuone hapa tree. Okay, so we have a big list having values from 1 to n, occurring only once, but unordered with an unknown amount of missing values. Yes, miss. Expound on that line. You seem to be. I'm not getting. You're talking.
Okay.
The first example, assuming n is 13.
Bado. Have you mute? Where have you connected? Oh, you have connected this side. No, it won't work this side.
I'm assuming n is 13. The first example.
I'm not.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So these examples that we've been given, I'm assuming n is 13.
You're assuming n is 13.
Yes. And then you're not sharing your screen. Okay. And then we're looking from 1 to 13.
I think it's supposed to be the first time.
Only the first. Okay.
You were saying,
Oh,
before we go to the
example, just the first. Yeah, the first sentence.
Oh, okay. We have a number from 1. No, we have a list that has elements from 1 to a certain number. And then in this,
only once.
yes, it only occurs once.
Meaning if you have one,
It can't
you will
occur.
not have another one.
Yes. But this array is not complete. It does not contain all the elements between 1 and n. So you have to find those missing numbers. But
Interesting.
they are unordered. So you could have 2, 8, 13.
This is interesting.
But we're not assured of the order.
Yeah.
No, we're not assured of the steps. So it might be 2,
4. Okay.
6,
Yeah.
12.
Yeah.
So that means 8 and 10 are missing.
We are not assured of the orders in. It can either be ordered even.
We're not assured of the step. Maybe in steps of 3, maybe I'm not sure.
What do you mean by steps? I think it's just
From 1 where you go to the step of 1.
1, 2,
Step of 1.
From 1 you go to
3.
2.
More than 1.
Yeah.
2.
The step of 2.
3.
1, you go to 3.
So that's an assumption.
I mean, I'm just thinking, they're saying that the array consists of numbers that are not sorted. They are random. And then in that random array, the numbers have to be consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. But some are missing. So you find them. Yeah, so you find them to make consecutive numbers.
Yeah. Let me see. From the tests, for like this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have up to 10. 8 is missing. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like 1 to 10.
So does it mean you have to find the maximum number, and then The range, not the length. The range. Which is
In
the
all
same.
cases, we're starting from 1 to 10.
But
So
that
we have
is
1 to 10. How many items are this?
the 10. They're 10.
Are they there?
10.
1, 2.
10.
They're 10.
They're 10.
1,
1, 2.
2, is that?
They're 10.
But you can say the maximum is the array length. Because the array
The
length
maximum, what is the array length?
sum. So if we have 10 elements,
Oh, yeah, the maximum. The maximum is the maximum.
yeah. Yeah, you have to find the maximum
Yeah, you have to find the maximum.
and then let it be your n.
Okay, interesting. So I've gotten the logic. It has to start from 1.
To n.
Okay, and first, let's just have the assumption that there are numbers with 1 step.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah.
assume that the step is 1.
So if we assume the step is 1,
The date is lost.
yes,
When you wake up the stairs,
Yeah.
you decide to take 2 steps at a time.
It's 1, 2, right?
and if 2 steps, you start to take two steps at a time.
So you go from 1 to 3.
You'll have to go from 1 to
3,
5.
3 to 5.
Yeah. If it's 1 step,
6 steps. No.
okay. Okay, let's us not use the steps then.
No, we are assuming that the steps. No.
Although the steps is a good.
You must consider the steps because the big tool has numbers from 1 to 10. Okay?
Yes.
We're not sure what 10 is. It might be 10,000. What if we're moving in hundreds? 100, 200, 300, 400, up to 10,000.
Yeah.
So in our case, we're safe to assume that we're moving in steps of 1 because of the tests.
Yeah. So, the first thing here, so it's like we'll create. Okay, my idea first. We'll create a new array with all the elements with the all first. Okay, before even we create the element, you have to know the maximum value in the array. If we know now the maximum value in the array, or the maximum value in the array, now we create a new array. Yes. So first, oh, interesting. So first find maximum element in array. Then after this, now we should use the maximum element to create a new array with the to create a new array with the range.
No, we just need the range.
Yeah.
You just need to say, once you have the max,
Now
you say, I need to go from 1.
Yeah. Now use the range 1, that maximum element. Yeah, so that's the first thing. Yeah? No. Okay. So after this, okay, with Ruby, after this, now we have 2 arrays. The one we have created and the one that we passed in the method. We can get the missing by subtracting the arrays. Yeah. Subtracting will return the elements that are not in either sides. Okay. Or let me say that are this side and not this side. Yeah, so we can do that. So first, let's say n is equal to array.max. I can test this by So if I have 3, 4, 5, 6, I'll let marks on this. 6. Okay, so that's that way we are getting usifikirie bado. Okay, so now we have our maximum element. Now we use the range 1 up to n to create an array. Someone help? Yes, Gary. We can use. I can't hear you still, man. We are the mute. Ati sima redia. Haya.
Hello.
Yes.
So
You say?
you can use the dot up to method. So you set the first element, which is 1, then dot up to.
1 dot up to.
Up to doesn't create an int.
So what does up to return?
Up to, it returns. It just, yeah, an enumerable.
It returns an enumerable.
Yeah.
Let me check.
Thank you. Oh,
So we have an up to integer. So iterates the given block passing an integer, passing in integer values from int up to and including limit. Yeah. To return an array.
So we can do 1. Is it dot or 3 dots?
So 1 dot n. We can map. Huh? Can we? Okay, we can always, we have our, if
an example of it in either way, back in primary school,
back in a primary school days, the headmaster or the deputy will come to the assembly and tell you guys, if you know you are from class 4 up to class 6, move this side. Class 7 and 8, move this side. Those are ranges from this to that. Class 1 to class 3, kimbia nyumbani, rudi na slash. Class 4 kulikuwa nyumbani. Nyumbani.
Oh yeah, hapana.
Class 4 to class 6, you come back with water. Class 7 are the candidates, they're going to read. Class 8 are candidates. They have it's called preps. Yeah. So that's some form of arrangement. So if you say 1 to n, you're saying starting from class 1 to class maybe 6 or class 1 to class 4.
So if we do, let me do that. We can use map.
Class 4. No, you can just convert it to an array.
Oh.
If you return it, it will be the same thing. It will just, okay, just return it. It will bring back the same one because it's arrayed.
So you also have to look through it the same way you do.
No, it creates an array for you if you convert it to an array.
Yeah.
Steps of 1.
Okay, so.
Sorry.
Uh-huh.
Dot up to. It does the same. If you convert the numerical to array. Just curious. Today, it's possible to convert any numerical.
You know, okay, if you go back to the example, the school, an enumerable is something that allows you to go through a collection one by one. So how would you do that in the school example? Something that allows you to go through one by one.
You count every child.
Exactly. Now, exactly. So the class is now the enumerable. In that case, where you can count every student one by one. But for the range, you're just giving, I don't want to use the word range. You're giving a set of values from here to here. Let's use that. Now you can convert the range to an enumerable, like an array. An array is an enumerable by doing 2a on it.
Yeah, so our new array will be that. Now that we have our two arrays, finding the missing values, now we can do new array. Let's array. Oh, we need them in order. Sort. Huh? Ati? Okay, let me run this. Unknown rejects. Oh.
Go back to the instructions.
So.
No, the problem is the first line.
Unknown rejects.
Just go back to the instruction. She's asking why you need the name.
So we have to output the missing numbers sorted by value. Nah. Don't usually be happy until you attempt. Hey, imekawia hivi. Where? Yeah, 6Q 2 points. Okay.
The new array equals 1.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of the assignment, I will just do 1. Array dot max.
Oh, hey, we can do a one-liner for this shit. Yeah. No, not to yeah. So, hey, we can do a one-liner for this.
But you can replace the n.
Yeah, I replaced the n with array that marks. Then now when I don't need this. And now, yeah. Okay, let me now remove. We now don't have a new array. Let me see, something is wrong with this one.
Can we have the receive in the range?
Yeah.
I have another idea. You can comment there on my notes.
So we reject. Now this will loop through.
This will loop through this array.
Okay. Now let's start with the range.
So we start with
One variable. And reject.
So that reject.
One array you must have.
Oh yeah. That.
Anything.
Oh, then I have to convert also this to array. Oh. Yeah, sindio.
Oh, you need to.
Oh. I have a range. I have to do.
You have
Oh.
Can you go to ranges for one? I think range is under class.
Under class.
Yeah. So you can do 2A on ranges, represents intervals. So you have to call 2A on it. Scroll down. We have, yes, I think we have include. We have an include.
Yeah. Returns true if object is an element of the range.
We can reject anything that is included. So the range will give us a range. Then we can reject anything that is included in this particular.
Yeah, so we have to start with array. Yeah, we have to start with no. Oh, but I'm getting the idea.
Yeah, so my idea was let's create this range. Then we ask, instead of doing reject, include.
But include array.
Try AR.
So this does include. Because it will look for this as a nested.
Yeah, it's going to check if the content has the array.
Yeah.
One missing number.
Okay. We do Python. You are? So, hey. Oh, this guy. Okay. So this guy use shift from 5. Hey. Hiyo 6Q ilikuwa ya nini? 6Q haiko si 2 points. Oh, we go to Python. Hey. Hakiana. Compre mundo. Hadi asharan. Wa. This compression itatua. Eh?
Haya. So in Python 3 ni inaitwa lazy, iko na kitu inaitwa lazy evaluation. That means, can you hear me?
Yeah.
That means if your mom sent you to supermarket, if you're a diligent child, when you Python 2, you'll go to the supermarket, do the shopping, mrudishie everything, and maybe uieke place inafaa kuwa. But as a lazy child or Python 3, you go to the supermarket and you come and sit down. Akiitisha sukari ndio unampatia. Akiitisha salt ndio unampea. But before ulize anything pia umenyamaza. Hiyo ndio the simplest way naweza explain lazy evaluation.
Lazy evaluation pia napanga. Naweza pacheke hoso mbili shikilie. Patia. Nikizitaka mnipe. So huko ndio 200 but bado uitumie. Sawa. Ama unaambiwa wewe kazi yako ni kupiga kelele? Kazi yako ni
Hai.
The moment tunakwambia hivyo, haimaanishi nataka kufanya hivyo zaidi. Ile time nitahitaji.
Ndio utafanya.
Only nikitaka.
Tunaweza sema JS inatumia lazy evaluation. Jo lazima uko na nini ndio itika.
JS si lazy as such.
So acha nionyeshe example. Nikifanya Python 2, if I did range 10, this is what I get. I get back my list from 0 to 9.
Oh, for real?
If I wanted to start at 1, I would do this. Where is it still? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Because body may count from 0. Yeah. But in Python 2, in Python 3, if I do the same thing, range 10,
Not evaluate.
this is what I get. So I have to convert it to a list. So I have to do this. Range 10.
I think I get what it is.
Yeah.
So in the first situation, you saying that you need a range of 10.
Yes, here.
I might not use the range right now. So there is no point of filling up the RAM with the range while I still don't need it. I might end up not using it because maybe the user did not need that particular feature.
Yeah.
So only expand this range to the full range when I need it.
Yeah. And then another thing, in Ruby you can subtract arrays. In Python, I don't think so. If I had 1, 2, 3, and this 1, 2, 3. If I do R minus G, it's unsupported.
Minus D. Let's never give up.
Bad operand.
And if you write R minus G,
As it?
minus like MINUS.
Hey, academy. Yeah. And then another thing, we test membership using in. As in, if you wanted to know if, I would say, Lucy in Podi, True, false. So, for example, if I said 1 in G, you're fine, true. If I say 10 in G, false. So, with that in mind,
That's complicated.
yeah. Naweza sema hii ndio functional programming kama naweza sema nini sasa.
Inakaa for line lakini umefinika ikakuwa wapi?
Okay. The first thing, let me comment this. The first thing that you're supposed to do.
You need to be sure you can do it.
Okay.
Just delete.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wacha hata ni run tena ifail. Aya. The first thing that you're supposed to do ni find the maximum number. So in Python we do this. Max R. Yeah. And then we need to find or make a list yenye inaanza at 1 na ina end at n. Ama the maximum number. So tunafaa kufanya range 1 to the maximum number. I'm cheating. And then after that, we need to check if the elements in R ziko in the new array. If it's there, don't give it to us. If it's not there, give it to us. Yeah, and then I've seen something else. I didn't sort. Nah, my test zilipass.
Ama there's a method you're using that sort.
See range.
Assorted.
Okay. So this is what I had done first. N equals to max R. Ukiangalia docs. To be fair, ukiangalia docs. And then, as usual, I'm comprehending it. So I never come to do kitu by now. For
I in
I for I
in R.
No, I for I in
R.
Do. I cannot do.
Return I for R.
If
No, can you just have
like
another name for I in one of the I's because the I
No,
are
you
not
cannot.
the same I.
No, they are. Ebu iseme statement ulingisema. Like
No,
Return I for I
in
R
if
if
it is
not in R.
no.
If I not in R.
If it's not.
If I not include in R.
So you return this.
Kwanza what are we checking? Yes.
If I is not in our new array that we're going to create,
But it's supposed to be the other way around.
we should return I. We should return I for
I in our new array if it's not in
this
in this R.
You are saying something silly.
I just want to. I'm trying to make sense on about this for I in I. Why can't we have another?
So
Another thing that
I-
is not I.
I okay, you can put it in like K.
Yes, it can be for K.
K for K, it has to be.
K for K in this particular collection. So my question is, why do we need the two?
So the
Yeah.
The first one is what is being
I
returned.
The element.
Yeah.
Then our new array.
Perfect. So for this particular element, okay. So what is the first I? The element.
The first I, yeah, is the element.
The element. Okay. So we can say element.
Yes.
Say element.
Okay.
So it's element for I.
No.
Hmm.
Now
Yeah.
you only return this element. Checking it versus if this you are returning this element, but where are we getting this element from?
From the collection. So for
The simpler version.
The simpler version.
Yeah, this one easy if not in.
As in-
The simpler one yenye ilikuwa for I
Hadi
and I.
hapo in range.
Hiyo. So the first I umesema ni the element. So let's say the element is 1.
No. No, what if you
Uh-huh.
I need the output expression. This is what you get. This is what you will get. Kama ungesema hapa times 2.
I is an element.
I is the element.
The first I is.
The element yenye utapata.
Yes. So ndio nasema for the first time
Uh-huh.
itakuwa 1.
Yes.
Sindio?
Yes.
Then unasema 1 for year ya pili ni
The normal I for 4.
It's return 1 for 1 in like in it makes sense.
juu mbona basi isiwe J for I in that range. Just so that J represents the
one.
current value. Alafu I represent the iteration.
Let me say something. Niambie the normal 4. The normal 4, how do you do it?
The normal for
I is equals 0. I is less than whatever is less than.
And then you increment. Sindio?
But in that case, I is usually the yes.
Not the element.
No, it's never the element.
But
it is the counter.
In a return the element at that index.
No, it doesn't. It is just a counter.
Yeah.
That for I in blah blah blah, it's just a counter that starts from where I tell it to start. Steps, how many steps you want it to step until you end the loop.
This is how I understand list comprehension. The first I is the output that you want. If you want it squared, if you want it even, if you want it +1 plus something.
So it is the operation that you're doing on the particular element.
Yes. In this case, we're just returning the element.
Okay.
That is when it's an output expression.
Do this.
Actually, you know, the last thing you know, answer kuangalia for I. Like, kama inaku confuse, usiangalia anze hapo kwa 4.
Okay, kuandika I times 3 or I
times 3. Hivyo.
Yes. So itakuwa
let me run
multiply I by 3.
Yes. 4, yeah.
4
I
whichever for every value in range.
In range. Hapa kuna for I in yeah.
So multiply this for every value in this range.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it actually means that this variable I that you're passing in that represents the current element is the same variable that we're working on at the first place.
Yes.
Yeah, for every value in this collection, take that value.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
So-
for every value in this collection, take that value.
Multiply it by 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Then whatever will be inside this list will be that value times 3.
Yes.
Okay, good on your test.
So I got to hapo kuchoma me. Like it does nothing.
So now say imerudisha 3,
Yes,
6,
exactly.
9,
You're quite
12.
confirm. So say 3,
9.
6 in order.
Yes.
Now mwambia wasort. Oh, no.
Arrange. Yeah.
So imechukua the range ikasema 1 2 3 hivyo.
Yeah.
Multiply 1 by 3 ikakuwa 3. Multiply 6 by 3 ikakuwa 2 by 3 ikakuwa
6.
Hivyo hivyo,
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
So that's what we get at this point. Aya ukitoa hiyo I times 3 itakuwa
Like
haya
1, 2, 3 hadi 9.
hadi 9.
Yeah.
Sindio? But it should be 8. Sindio?
Yeah. As in
So array yetu iko na everything except 8.
8. Yeah.
So hii array yetu inafaa tuipatie sasa condition hii loop yetu.
Yeah.
Na sasa tuipatie condition.
Condition, yes.
Condition inawekwa wapi?
Hapa.
After none of them, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So if
So niko na swali.
Yes. Yeah.
Hii for ni nini exactly?
inatusaidia kuloop through our iterable.
Is it a method? Is it a function?
Ni niseme a keyword ama ndio ina test for membership. Ina test kama something iko inside something.
Oh, I think
Like-
translate na each.
Yeah, ni ya kuloop
For us, each is a method. And I assure you that each is
4. Where is
E4.
4 ni the same 4.
Ni method.
Ni inakuwa conditional. Lama inakuwa ni.
Yeah. But sisi
Hapa ni kama tufanya
case.
do this in
Nika
this
case.
conditions.
While. Nika while.
Do this in this condition.
Speaking of which, hatuna loops.
Mkono hayo.
Kitu inachanganya na kitu yote, the explanation, how does it know that he in a refer to the next range? Ishaona 4.
Yes.
Sindio?
Yeah.
The compiler imeona 4. Ikasema okay, I is what I will do for anything else yenye nakuja next.
No.
No, inasema imesema I na nimeona 4. Inamaanisha next is a loop.
Mi vile kitu ilinifanya nisijaji confuse na hii ni the fact that angalia hii I kama the output. Hiyo ndio the last thing yenye napata. Utapata hii I kama iko kwa hii list tuna iterate na pia imepass ile condition.
Hiyo nimeget. Okay. Reason that ni umeweka condition mwisho.
Yes.
How does it know that this is a condition for the loop? Hizo ndio maswali zangu zenye niko nazo.
That's a part of it.
Yes, exactly. Hiyo ndio tunatry kuuliza. That's why nasema I for I. Okay, ikisema I for then automatically najua what comes next. Is a loop that will be giving me a value. Up to that point inasema 4. So whether ni range, whether ni another list, whether as long as it's a collection. Unaweza fanya
dictionary.
So unaweza tumia dictionary pia.
Kwa hii list comprehension
So after 4. After your I in, after in. So E4 it expects a way of looping through the collection. So ina expect iko inapewa moja alafu inaiweka. Haitaki kujua inapewa aje. Sindio? Then kuna hii range yenye ya collection. Sindio? Huyu range hataki kujua nini iko hii side. E4 I in. Yana angalia hii side nyingine anasema nafanya nirudishe nini? Nafanya nirudishe kitu inaweza multiply by 2. Kitu yenye inaweza divide by 2 perfectly. Nafanya nirudishe mwenye yako greater than.
Mwenye yako greater than this.
So the range, anything after the collection to the right, huku. Kazi yake itakuwa kuangalia anything to the right is my condition.
Yes.
Nitaji mtu explain syntax.
So I for I in range, this range, which is from 1 to the maximum number, if our I is not, if I see hakuna is, if I not in R.
Yes. That makes sense.
So can you include
So
optional brackets?
wapi?
Okay.
Wapi?
So for example,
Hakuna place yote unaweza ka bracket yote. Just to say that this is evaluated first, alafu hii, the
like-
final result is later.
Yes. Like this.
Okay, hii si itani ukiweka hivi,
hii yote hadi kwa hivi. Hadi before it.
sijiko na niget. Nimesha screen ni explain.
Yes.
Screen.
Alafu sasa
6 minutes.
unaona hapa kwa range, instead ya kufanya hii yote n nika decide, alafu hapa pia nilikuwa nafaa kuandika list. Sorry, list ndio singiona kuandika list.
But even
But
it's
nilisha pass.
pass bila
This
this.
is like on 3 point.
Unajua hapana sio. This you don't have to explicitly convert it to a list as long as umeitumia. Si lazima uiambie sasa wewe ni list. As long as umeitumia kama sasa hivi umeitumia ku loop.
Itajifanya. Okay. But then if I wanted to see it ndio ningetumia Python tu.
So hii hapa
usifungue tu nini? Usifungue tu Python.
No, nataka kuexplain kitu naelewa.
Narubia.
So nataka kufikiria method kama method gani tunaweza brackets. Puts.
Yeah.
If puts my name, hivyo itakuwa puts my name. So tunaweza amua tufanye hivi. Hivyo itaputs my name. So naweza puts name comma. What happens? Hii ni sehemu na kusema puts name
Okay.
One. So I know that this is a method call, but these are optional. These are the parameters. That's why inaweza iweka kama hivi. Sio? Alafu ingine inaweza kuwa kitu kama sijui. Kitu kali ita look through each alafu is print. Then naweza peana some optional
parameters.
Naweza peana hizi optional. Juu mimi naweza nikakuexplain ya confident with that. This is a method being called on this object. This method takes this as a parameter. So all methods in Ruby can take objects, can take blocks as an argument.
All methods.
Any method can take.
Really?
So mimi naweza amua kuligroup hizi vitu niseme hivi. Hii ndio tulikuwa nakuuliza. Ama dunia hii. Hii tuliconfirm ina work, sio? Now that tusha confirm ina work, what if tunataka ku call method kama map as another block? Ama tulitania enumerable. Inapewa after and enumerate. So hii naweza ambia wewe ulikoliwa na hii pasiwa hii. Then wewe pia nitakupatia.
Okay.
Unaelewa, naweza zigroup nikiunderstand inafanyika. But ukiniambia for in as in evil.
So seriously, because ukiongeza bracket hiyo ni a whole new thing. Kama kwa Python 2 ukiandika print, you don't need the brackets. Kwa Python 3 ukiweka bila brackets itafail. So brackets ziko na meaning
But
yake.
unaweza for nini kali comprehension unaweza group. Kuna time unaweza katu option ndio juu. Hii collection ama this is what I'm calling the method.
Day Python 3. Nimeanzisha Python 3. Okay. So nikitaka ku add one, naweza kuweka type
1 plus 5.
Yeah.
You can
Try, but it isn't.
Yes.
Today try, actually try.
This works for all languages.
So hii 1 plus 5 minus 10 sawa. Haimaanishi ati na treat hizi vitu kama function call. Now, can you do something like can we put function
Hata print
List. Print ina fail.
Weka na
Kama sasa hebu try ku print kitu. Andika tu print alafu no as in print and then like name. Yeah.
lazima
Weke kwa. But kani Python 2 ingekuwa tu
Python
sawa.
2 So swali yangu ni
Kwa list comprehension.
is there any method I can do on the number 10 Okay, naweza convert the string 10 into a number.
A number, yeah.
Aje?
Int,
How like that?
int, a small letter. And then in brackets,
The string.
string 10. Got it.
Hivyo.
Yeah.
Ina convert single string.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you know, like,
Na itakuwa
hii
fine.
itawaka. Ile tulikuwa nakuuliza kama inaweza waka. Kwa unaweza kupiga 4 yako na kitu gani?
Acha ni try. Though by the way imefail. Time out execution. Sijui what.
Oh.
Na ukiweka hii max sasa.
Nimeshaweka lakini sijaitoa hapa.
Indentation?
Haiko tu sawa. Ina pass, yes, but nikiattempt.
Wait for it.
But
And then my attempt.
For it. Still waiting for it. 393. Ulivia nani kata points?
Kwa hiyo nadhani yangu nikifanya ina minus. Inefficient. You should try and optimize your code further. So,
1. If I not in. I work with a return.
yeah, lazima return.
Tujaribu kutoa I.
Ya kwanza. And then tutakuwa tunapata anything back. That is our output expression.
now ukisema B as a string.
As in like this.
Ukisema?
Hivyo. Correct. Oh, mbona return our there? Ya pili na.
So mmeona kazi hiyo I.
Yes, iko na kazi kweli.
So but I will find a better explanation.
Naenda mo.
Okay. Bye. Wacha mimi
invite on.
ni trick.
See you guys later.
Bye.
Yeah.
So ni try to optimize. I don't
Acha
know
Hayuko.
how. Wameenda Japan.
Ngoja Raida hapo.
Alikuwa anaenda Japan.
Nani?
So
Unajenga hapo.
yes. Nisema sama alikuwa anaenda Japan.
Anaenda Japan.
Anaenda sijui lini.
Vacation.
Sijui.
End
Vacation.
the broadcast basi.
Okay.
Kama unaweza kutaka
Ni sawa, but umeshapewa points.
Maliza.
No.
Nisaidie niki.
I will have to
Natamani hizi.
optimize my code. I don't know how, but I will find a way.
Yeah.
So bye. Ama mnanisaidia kuoptimize because
Optimizing. Every try to do this thing you have in this hand, right? Just stepwise.
step.
Stepwise as in not one liner
Yeah.
and see if it will work.
Not
doing the one line as in first to get the max, stored in a variable, then
which is n. Like here, I can say n equals that, and then here I put n. Yeah, and then I remove the list.
then yeah, you have something like
Santos,
oh,
can I switch? I finish my work.
our new array is okay.
Wacha tumsaidie tu. Oi. Yeah.
Yes, in a pass, but
Okay.
no,
okay.
now I'm attempting.
Attempt did not fail.
Yeah.
It takes too long. Yeah,
Am I still completing the
execution timed out. Let's try that. Let's try.
Still so it means I have to find another way of doing this.
Yes. I have nothing.
Bye. End the broadcast. Yes.
Bye. Shoo.